Hello everybody, welcome to another beautiful day. Today I just want to talk about something I consider a bit interesting, and it might sound a bit controversial, but no offense intended. But then just there was this scenario I came across the other day. I was in the marketplace, and I saw, there was a conversation going on between some group of market women, and they were talking about the northern, a brother from the north that is selling. Apparently, what had happened is this: in the west, in the western part of Nigeria, most of the people in the marketplace, they are often there is a kind of loyalty to a particular product whenever they get into the marketplace. It is common to hear in the marketplace people, the Yoruba women particularly, you hear them say something like Yalata, Yelewa, Yonishu. They have that product that they are focused on, and everybody have known them with that particular item, that crop and all of that. And then, but recently, let me say like the few years ago, now we start having in the same marketplace, we start seeing the northern brothers coming into the same marketplace. Now, there is a dynamic in the way the northerners approach the marketplace. Now, for the western women, when they are in the marketplace, they are more like they are a product. Now, there are traders that are known with a particular product. Like they are a product, driven traders. They are known with a particular product, and everything that they do is attached to that particular product. You hardly see them move from one product to the other. But unlike the northern brothers, the way they approach the market is a bit dynamic. They are, they are profit driven. They are profit driven traders. They don't have any attachment to any particular product. And it's not uncommon for you to see them, when it's time, when the pepper is booming in the market, as in the farm, when it's time for harvest a lot of pepper in the farm, you see them trading on the pepper. When it's time for, a particular fruit is what is booming in the market now, you see them move from pepper and they start going into that particular fruit. Now, because they became a competitor to the market, to the woman selling pepper when there was pepper, and they also became a competitor to the woman selling fruit all year round when it's time to sell the fruit. So the Western traders seem to have a kind of feedback. They kind of have a feedback within them, feeling as if they are being cheated by these brothers. Now, my question is this: which one would you rather subscribe to? Is it the profit-driven trader or the product-driven trader? Which one do you think is right? Please, I would like you to just put this in the comments. Put it as a comment. Let me just know your mind. Do you think the northern brothers were doing anything wrong in becoming profit-driven traders? Or do you think the Yoruba women should diversify? They should look at the market with a level of, they should be dynamic in their approach to the marketplace. That definitely the man that is profit-driven will definitely end up to make more from the market, because there is never a downtime. It's just moving from one product. Okay, this is the product that is booming in the market now. It is cheaper to bring this product into the market and sell it, and they will move into that product. While the woman that has been selling pepper, when the pepper was cheap, of course, you will have a lot of patronage. Now that the pepper has become expensive, a lot of people will look at her and think she's selling things that are expensive, and they won't patronize her as much as they used to. Meanwhile, the brother selling pepper when the pepper was booming, has moved from pepper to fruits, and when the fruit is going down, if yam is the next thing that is booming, is moving from the fruit to the yam. So do you think the northern brothers, the profit-driven trader, is doing something wrong? Or do you think the product-driven trader should learn from the profit-driven trader and kind of diversify or inject other products into what she's selling, so that she doesn't have a downtime? She should borrow from the wisdom of the northern of the profit-driven trader just let me know your comment. Let me know your mind. Drop a comment on the comment section. I really will appreciate this. Thank you very much. Bye.